What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Jack is going to look very lively because he's going to have some sausage sandwiches.
And bacon.
That's like a ritual now, isn't it?
And bacon.
And bacon. We're going to have sausage and bacon sandwiches on the lean mean fat grilling machine, also known as George Foreman. Thank you, George Foreman.
Oh, Jack.
You can't cook for shit.
So?
He likes to pretend. No. Right, but what we're going to do in this video is we're going to finish this Insignia, hopefully. We're going to show you it started. We're not going to show you everything going back on because you've seen us take it all off already. So we may do this more of a vlog style and then showing you the road test and it starting up and all that sort of stuff. We may still throw a few little mechanical things in there, but we're not sure until, you know, we get to it. We just don't want to basically drag these videos out too long. It is a complex thing really to do, and you know, it's showing you guys that we can do this. So again, you guys want any work done by us, down in the description, Rusty Autos page. Make sure you're smashing that follow button and sending a message. Also follow us on Instagram, send us a message there as well. And again, we keep saying this, 12th of May, car meet, this place, bring yourself in Sutton in Ashfield. The postcode will be on my Instagram, it will also be on the community page as well. But just be respectful while you're up here, please, because we do work up here and you know, we do have to still show a bit of respect to everybody else around here. So, without further ado, let's go and eat some sausage sandwiches.
Yeah.
I hope we made some people like really hungry. No, hungry by seeing them sausages cooking.
Well, that made me hungry again eating them.
We'll have sausages again later, Jack.
Wrapped in bacon though this time.
Wrapped in bacon. Okay. Right. So what we're gonna do? Put some parts of this back on the car. Put the inlet manifold on, exhaust manifold, thermostat housing, power steering pump, all that malarkey.
Lots.
Like I said, we're not going to show you it all because we don't want it to drag it out, so we'll show you little tiny bits. So the inlet manifold is now in. Jack's just plugging everything up on the wiring loom. He's also about to destroy things as well. Now he's putting other stuff in as well, but we're going to show you outside. This is why we needed this place, because honestly, like, doing this sort of stuff in this sort of weather is ridiculous. And it's actually slowed down just as I opened the door, Jack. But it was absolutely hammering down a minute ago. But yeah, trying to do this stuff outside is literally damn near impossible. So having this place is absolutely awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Smashing that like button, subscribing, you know, sharing it with your friends, coming up for work and that sort of stuff as well. Allows us to keep this place and carry on doing what we enjoy. So thank you guys very much. But without further ado though, we are now going to show you some mechanical little snippets of putting some things on this. So let's jump in. Engine mounts now going in. Progress is happening quite quick actually, isn't it, Jack? But we're probably all going to be here till 12 again, aren't we? As always. Yes. Intake pipes on, throttle body's on, intake manifolds on, the crank pulley's on, auxiliary belt, engine mount. Also left to put on is the coil pack, exhaust manifold, the power steering pump, obviously the filter, thermostat housing, obviously put the thermostat in it. What else we got, Jack?
Oil and filter.
Oil filter, yeah, coolant as well, obviously. They're pretty much straightforward. But yeah, other than that, it's not actually too bad, is it? So again, these things take a lot of time. Very, very time consuming to do this, but again, this guy's car would not be on the road if it wasn't for us doing this, because he was thinking about scrapping it, wasn't he? So again, if you guys want any mechanical work doing, down below, make sure you're sending us a message. We don't charge a fortune, it's actually quite cheap, to be fair. Make sure you're having a check that out. Also as well, like I said, rebrand 12th and 13th of May. So that's coming soon. We've done new intros, new outros. This glove made a right funny noise. It keeps squeaking. What we're going to do now is Jack's going to have... Hang on. Jack's not going to have a fag break. But what we're going to do after that is then finish this off, get it all back together, let you guys hear it start up for the first time, and also we're going to bring you on the test drive with us again, so you can... Jack, you're so childish. Exhaust manifold and cover is going on now. We have put the coil pack in, but we have disconnected it because when we turn the key and turn it over, we want the oil to go where it needs to be, because again, it's all been stripped of oil. So we don't want it to start because we don't want it to cause any more damage. So that's why we have disconnected it. We just connected it temporarily to make sure everything sat where it should and went where it should be. So what we're going to do now is put that exhaust manifold on, like I said. We're going to put the air filter back on, the power steering pump, the belt, and then also obviously the wheel arch lining. And then we will get back to you when we're filling up with oil and coolant. Everything is pretty much back on now. We're now at the stage where we're filling up with oil, filling up with coolant at the same time. Jack is just checking the oil level, making sure everything's fine. Once this has obviously been turned over, we're going to keep an eye on these levels as well at the same time and top it up where needed. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
We've obviously got the wheel arch liner though to go back in, and the wheel back on as well on the other side, and I think that is pretty much it. Once obviously all this is all sorted with the oil and the coolant, we should be good to go. So we're going to go ahead, fill these up. You don't need to see us doing that, and then we'll see if we get a first time start, Jackie boy. We may also, by the way, have to jump start this because it has been sat here for a while. So if you see us jump starting it, that is obviously why. It's been here for what now? About week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. So yeah, we're gonna crack on. Right, so okay. So the Fiesta's come to the rescue with his new battery, Jack. So the Fiesta is jump starting the Insignia. We've turned it over a few times to make sure the oil's circulating where it should be. So is this the test now, Jack? This is the test. Are we ready? This is going to be the first start. We've not tried this apart from turning it over with the coil pack disconnected. So, when you're ready, Jack. Jack, we've saved a voxel. What have we done? No! No! Can we go back? But you heard it struggle a little bit there to start up, but that's just natural because everything's working its way through. Jack, just keep an eye on that coolant as well. But everything's working its way through. So, Jack's happy. First start up. You've just heard it yourself. Yeah, it's good. It's great to actually hear this thing running. So, what we're going to do is cut this here and pick it up very soon. We're going to take it on a test drive because you're not going to be able to hear me over all this as well. We're going to keep an eye on them levels on the oil and the coolant while it's running. So yeah, get back to you. So Insignia's been running a little bit now. It's absolutely red hot in here. Jack's made me sit inside and suffer this heat, haven't you, Jack?
Yeah, I'm proud of myself.
We've had to leave it running a little bit because all the excess like water and that in the exhaust needed to burn its way off. But now Jack, just show them, take them down there, and then bring it back to me. Just show them the back. Ah! Give it a little rev. So, you can see here now Jack's bought your bike. Temperature sitting just under 90. It's not shifted. Excuse any wind because it's coming from the heaters. We have to have these on. I'm trying to cover it with the microphone with my hand. But you can see here it is underneath 90. It's sitting at 89 very, very nicely. So what we're going to do now is we're going to check this on for a road test. We're going to bring you guys with us as well. Everything is running bang okay so far. We've kept an eye on the coolant levels, kept an eye on the oil levels, and everything is running absolutely bang on. So again, thank you guys for coming up for work. We sincerely appreciate it. Honestly, we can't thank you guys enough, and it does mean a lot, so thank you. We've moved cars around. Insignia is now outside, shutters now closed, 350 is back in. We've got a space back so far. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take you on a little test drive and see if there's any issues. But so far, so good. Everything is running perfectly fine. It would help if I actually got my keys as well. Lock this place up. So, let's go, guys. You had your heart set on me, but this feels they come and go, and they come so easily. It is a little dark, so bear with us. It is 10 past 12. Yeah, midnight. You can't even see Jack's face. Wait. Dun, dun, dun. So we're going to start it up now so you can see it starting up straight away again. And then, like I said, we're going to road test it. Temperature stayed perfectly fine all the way around. That is better lighting. So, let's go. Straight away. This is the same route we went on last time, guys. I'm probably not going to clip this either. I'm just going to show you exactly the route that we went, and that's how quick it overheated. So we're going to do the same route again. Excuse the bouncing camera. We are on UK roads. Hey, Jackie boy. What's temperature sitting at? 90. Good. I'm sure I started in this exact same spot last time. Ooh! We actually look like Rob. I've got my gloves still on. Oh dear. And for your information, we're not actually on the Rob. We don't do that sort of thing. But we got round this roundabout last time.
We just got down to the bend down there, didn't we?
Yeah, we just literally went back the same way we came. And as we got down to the bend at the bottom...
My feet's toasty.
Yeah, it is quite warm, isn't it? But as we got down to the bottom here, it was started to overheat. That bag's gone. What are we at now?
90.
90? See if I can show these. Yeah, you can see it. I'll let you drive again, Jack. Well, this is basically where it all kicked in last time. Went to 130 degrees and we had to literally coast it all the way back to the unit. Luckily it's not that far, but happy days. It's pulling fine. It feels actually 10 times better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So much more responsive as well than what it actually was before. Well, for obvious reasons. Well, here we are, back at the unit. So this, guys, by the way, opposite auto fixed collisions, this is where the car meet will be. This is our unit right here. Just for those of you that want to know as well.
That one.
That one. Well, that one. So usually a lot of these cars aren't here. I know you can't really see much. There's quite a few cars around here, but a lot of these aren't here usually on a Sunday, hence why we are going to do it on a Sunday. And this car is red hot inside. Oh,
Hey, Fiesta.
hello, sunshine.
Oh.
Hey, Jack stole it! I got it on camera! Jack, you stole it! You're not going to leave that down. So he can fix an egg gasket, but he can't find...
drive a car.
He can't find bike point. Oh dear. No, we've all done it, Jack. It's alright.
I can't feel my feet, they're boiling.
I know. So just before you turn it off, I'm just going to show the temperature as well. I'm not going to cut this little end bit as well. I think I'm just going to leave this whole like minute in, or 4 minutes should I say. So, right there, 90 degrees.
No lights.
Boom. So it's next morning. We was going to do a bit of an outro last night, but then we thought, what's the point? Because we did have to do a roof wrap on it. You can just see here. Nah, gloss black roof. Let's have a quick gander outside in the rain. This is dedication. Quick. Right, I'm running back inside. Jack's going in his car. But yeah, so Insignia is now running. It's now alive. The owner's very, very grateful for us sorting that out. It looks a lot more meaner on the front as well now. The roof's black. There's no point me recording that really because you know it was pretty quick, and I got here quite early this morning to sort that out. He's going to be happy with that. All done and dusted. Is Jackie happy? He needs a fag, but other than that, he's happy. Right, Jack? So yeah, remember guys, want out done down in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace, and I have cut my finger.